In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a starter on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located on the bottom of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to loosen the jam nut for our negative terminal. Remove the bolt for the terminal and push it out of the way. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove the nut off the back of the starter. There's a lock washer there. Remove the lock washer and remove the cable from that terminal. We're going to lift up on that tab and push straight back. And remove that connector. Using a 13mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the starter. Before taking this last bolt out, be sure you have a hand on the starter. Remove the 2 bolts for the starter. We're going to pull it down and remove it. Install the starter up into place. Get your bolts started by hand. Snug the bolts down. Install the connector to the starter. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a push, make sure it's locked on. Install your terminal. Install the lock washer and the nut. Snug the nut down. Torque the starter bolts to 37 foot-pounds. Torque the terminal nut to 89 inch-pounds. Install the negative battery cable. Get the bolt through it. Snug down the bolt and the jam nut. Get it nice and snug, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.